So make sure you add lead. You add lead to your wire. Add lead to your wire first. Then this one is spin. Then you take the second side. You add lead. Take the second side. You add lead. So thank you. Then connecting 4 volts now. Good. So I'm connecting 8 volts now. Connecting 8 volts. So 8 to 8. Go anywhere you want to go, so that there will not be any uncertainty, there will not be any error, any sparking, because if there's sparking, that's going to lights must not spark. So everything must be order. So it's my own way of packaging it. So I think we are done with this battery aspect. Let's cover it. Let's cover it now. Let's cover it. Let's cover it. Let's cover it. So now this is a laptop. So I want to insert it now, see whether we've actually done a good job, whether it's gonna power on its own or not. No, it's not powered. Let us plug charger. Let's plug charger and charge it a bit. Charge it a bit. It's going to power. Let's charge it a bit.